Yo, it's your boy Demarcus Duhart, and we are back, man. I tell you, let's go, guys. Today, man, this video I'm gonna show you guys on my phone. I know why it's blurring out like that. I'm gonna show you guys on my phone exactly how to buy Facebook or Meta. Is what it's called now, but it's actually called Facebook. I don't know why they changed the Meta. It's kind of a weird name to me. I don't know. As you can see, Mark Zuckerberg right there, man. Pretty strange guy, but he is a genius, guys. That guy is a genius. So we're gonna take a deep dive and see how Facebook is matching up to the market, and we're gonna see if Facebook is actually the best option for you guys. And I believe we'll do it on my phone. I'll show you guys right here on my phone. We'll take a deep dive. But before that, we're going to see what's going on with the stock market and how to actually buy Facebook. So this is Meta, ticker symbol META. And also you can see that they're up right now by 1% and $488. That is actually very awesome, guys. It's awesome because it's an AI stock. I mean, they invested heavily in AI, and AI, as you know, AI is not going anywhere. So let's see right quick what this guy got to say about it right quick.
I wouldn't go that far.
Okay, stock.
I mean,
from
this is still pretty good.
The sixth circle of hell.
But this has been.
Hey, Dante, listen to me for a second.
Yes.
Okay, so this is an example of how difficult it is to get a hyperscaler, huge company, a tech titan, to move. But they took a 5%. They're taking a 5% stake. We think it may not happen, but the journal reports it, and EFT say they're in talks to buy 5% in Luxottica. EssilorLuxottica. Why? Because that's who makes the glasses that I keep telling you are so amazing.
Yes.
And the glasses, the first iteration, you take pictures on Instagram, goes right there. The iteration that they have factories in Italy, and I am told by my sources working 24/7 to meet demand. Still doesn't mean anything, right? Because it's such a big company. But, David, the next generation, I heard exactly what they can do. You can put them on. You see a crowd in front of a store. You say, what is the crowd in front of the store at 14th and 6th? What is that? And it tells you, well, that's because they're just introducing a new shoe. Nike's introducing a new shoe at that store. You ask it things, and it's AI. Instant AI.
Wow.
And these are the ones that they have, David, you can't make them fast enough. Now, I've asked Mark Zuckerberg to come on and talk about it. That was not happening yet, so early. But I do think that you have to watch that this is the beginning of some of the stuff that Meta does.
And that is great, guys. As you can see, that the stock and the company Meta, which is Facebook, is actually going up. It's going up, even in technology. That you can understand that this isn't going to be something that's bad for everybody. I think that this is going to be something, because everyone's using Facebook anyways, from your auntie to your grandma to everybody. So I think actually doing it and investing in Facebook instead of being used by Facebook and getting your data sold, you should actually sit here and invest in it. So right now, we're going to use the phone, and we're going to see exactly how to invest in Meta on Cash App, guys. So we're going to go to Cash App. Cash App. Boom. Yeah. So we're going to type in Meta, which is Facebook. Boom. You can buy Meta right here. You can buy shares of Meta. You can buy the whole thing. You can also gift some Meta to people. So we're going to go out a month. So they're up right now. Meta is the world's largest online social network with 3.6 billion monthly active listeners. are active users. The users engage with each other in different ways. So. Let's see. Look, share price is 488, and it's just going to keep going up, guys. You guys need to get in the Meta right now and buy some. Earnings, so. And once you do this on Cash App, you can look in all of this stuff, man, to really make an informed decision. And if you guys have Robinhood or you guys have Fidelity, you can actually trade shares with Meta. So I believe that that's a great option as well. But you want to be able to buy the stock, buy the company, not just be used by it. So just simple as that. Log in a Cash App, go to your stocks, and type in Meta. Then you can buy a fraction of the share, or you can buy the whole share for $488. That's how the rich keep getting richer, guys. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep dropping these bombs on you guys, man, because I believe Meta's going up. You ain't gonna get this nowhere else, so you might as well like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna give it to you for free, guys, man. Hit the link down below, get your free stocks, and see you on the next video. Peace.